Action.
How much is your cucumber?
Yeah, now 100 naira.
They find the big one before, the one they came together like this.
Don't be chop, you want chop now.
No, I want use that. Just they find the one they all came together and they all pick.
So, hope it's not what I'm thinking, no. You want use them? Madam, cucumber and cucumber. There, 100 naira. If they find big one, collect two or better to carry the theory.
I don't understand. I didn't find the big one. I want use that.
Oh, maybe I know you understand the English. You want use them? Wait, you want use them? You want use them?
That not be your business. I want use that.
It's not the use when me I dey think. Now you dey talk. Sabi help o. Fit help you. So far you go do me well.
I just help one guy use other material. Action.
So if na the use me when me dey think, now you dey talk. I fit help you o. You know say me I good for those kind help. Just help one guy use other material just now. So you no go bad if I still help you use this one. So far you go settle me well.
No problem, no problem.
Madam, I know they like no problem.
No problem.
You go settle me well.
No problem.
You know settle me well. No say you come on, you call the give me change. You know say na big work I want to do for you. So.
No problem.
Oh yeah, make you go now. Show your place no far.
No, no problem.
You sure? Yeah. Make I see the side they go. There, watermelon. Bye, cucumber.
Where you come?